Jai Hind everyone. This is Pragati Pandey with the new part of this chapter 2, fraction. Okay, in the previous video we have studied the divide of a fraction, how to divide a fraction. Okay, now we are going to discuss exercise 2.3, in which we will go through several questions and solve them. Okay, so moving ahead, first of all we will go through the doubts, whichever the doubts you have. So first thing is that we should solve the doubts, then after we will proceed. Okay, so many of you have told me that in exercise 2.2 question number 2, first and second and third part, these were doubts. First part we have discussed, and several peoples have doubt in these two parts, so we will go through that. The second part was 1 whole 1 by 5 multiply 1 whole 1 by 2 multiply 5. Okay, so what we will do, we will just convert these mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6 by 5, here it is. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 by 2, here it is. And 5 is here, it has no denominator, we will consider 1 as a denominator. Okay, now we will cut the values, that is, you can see here it is 2 3 is 6, in 3 times it will cut 6, and 5 will cut in 1 times to 5. Now we have denominator is 1, so no need to write, and the numerator is 3 and 3, that will be 9. Okay, so 9 will be our answer. Its third part was 6 whole 1 by 5 multiply 3 whole 1 by 2 multiply 3 by 4. So first of all we will convert into improper fraction. 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 31 by 5. Okay, now here it is 3 whole 1 by 4, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 4, here it is, and 3 by 4 as it is. You can see that no value will be cancelled off, so we will multiply all the values. After multiplication we have got 1209 upon 80. Okay, we have converted it into mixed fraction. Okay, so here is the doubt question. These two questions were your doubt question. Now we will move to exercise 2.3. Here is your question number 1 of exercise 2.3. Okay, which of the following is proper fraction? So you know that when the numerator is lower than denominator, okay, numerator will be lower than denominator, that fraction will be proper fraction. You can see here that your numerator is greater, here it is also numerator is greater, here it is also numerator greater, and here the numerator is smaller. So option number D will be the right answer. Okay, now question number 2, which of the following is a vulgar fraction? Yes, vulgar fraction are those fractions whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. That means no other value after these places. That means it has 10, 100, 1000. That means multiplied by 10 or divide by 10 values. There should be multiplied by 10 values having 1 and 0. Those fraction which has a denominator value of 1 and 0, those fractions are vulgar fraction. So you can see here it is also 1 and 0 denominator, it is also 1 and 0, here it is 1 and 6. So option number C will be your answer. Here it is also having 1 and 0. So your option number C will be the right answer. Now question number 3, which of the following is a reducible fraction? For reducible fraction are those fractions which can be cut off. If you are going to cut the denominator and numerator values, if you are going to cut the denominator and numerator values, these values will be cut. You can see here it is 46 by 63, you cannot cut them. Here it is 77 by 72, you cannot cut them. And here it is 104 upon 121. Consider this, it cannot be cut. for examining the values to be reducible, you can test that divisibility also. Here it is 105 and 112. Okay, so you can see here, if you cut these two values by 7, it can be reduced, means the numerator and denominator will be divided by 7, then the values will be obtained. So this one is the reducible fraction. Okay, now we will move to question number 4. Question number 4 is compare the fraction. In the exercise 2.1, in the previous videos, we have solved this type of question. First of all, we should convert the denominator equal. We should first consider the denominator as equal, then after we will do this. This is your homework. If you have not seen the exercise 2.1 videos, you will not be able to solve these questions. So going through each and every video will be helpful for solving all these questions. Here question number 5, arrange the fraction in ascending order. I am not going to tell you these questions because already you have gone through this type of question. Okay, so question number 4, 5, from question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these all are your homework. Now we will move to question number 6. Okay, find the sum of, it is also easy. Question number 7, find the sum of, it is also easy. Question number 8, what should be added to this to get 23? We will go through this question number 28. Okay, 8. Question number 8 is here. First of all, we will make the equation. So in the question it is saying that what should be added to 16 whole 2 by 3 to get 23. 16 whole 2 by 3, what should be added to get 23? So consider that x will be added. Okay, so if we move this fraction to right hand side, we will just change the sign. Okay, so here it will be subtract sign of subtraction. So x is equal to 23 minus 16 whole 2 by 3. Here there is no denominator, so we will consider 1. Here we have considered minus 50 by 3. 16 3s are 48 plus 2, 50 by 3. Okay, now we will take the LCM of 1 and 3. You know that 3 will be the answer itself. Now we will divide this 1 by 3. We will get 3 value will be 3. 3 when multiplied by 23, the value will be 69, minus 1. 3 will divide 3, that will be 1, and 1 multiply 50, that will be 50 itself. Now we will subtract the value, there will be 19 by 3. Now we will convert this into mixed fraction. Okay, so you know that 3, 19, 6 are 18, 1. So you know that 6 whole 1 by 3 will be answer. Okay, so question number 9 to 11 we will discuss in next video, and up to question number 8, this is your home assignment. You will do these questions. Okay, this is exercise 2.3. Pause the video, take the screenshot and solve these questions. Okay, 1 2 3 4 is here, and from 1 to 8 this is your assignment. Here it is. You can take the screenshot and solve these questions. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, class.